Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Smartsheet dashboards for project tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Smartsheet dashboards for project tracking, log in to your Smartsheet account. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace where your project sheets are stored. Select the sheet you would like to track within your dashboard. In the upper right corner, locate and click on the Create button. From the drop-down menu, choose Dashboard/Portal. A new dashboard will open, prompting you to name your dashboard. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the dashboard. Click on Create Dashboard to continue. You will now see the dashboard editing interface. On the right side, you will find the Widgets panel. Select the type of widget you would like to add, such as chart, metric, or rich text. For project status, choose the Chart widget. Drag the Chart widget into your dashboard area. In the configuration panel that appears, select the source data, which should be the sheet you are tracking. Customize the chart type according to your project data needs. Adjust the settings to display relevant metrics, like task completion percentage or project timeline. After setting the chart, click Save. Next, add a metric widget to display key performance indicators. Drag the metric widget into the dashboard area and configure its settings to show important values. You can also include a report widget to track tasks over time. Choose the report widget type and choose a report that aggregates relevant project data. Ensure that your widgets are well arranged for clarity. Continue to customize the dashboard by adding text widgets for headings or descriptions. Once all widgets are added and configured, preview the dashboard to see how it looks. If satisfied, click on the Share button to invite team members to view or edit the dashboard. Adjust the sharing settings according to your team's needs. Finally, save your work to ensure all changes are recorded. You are now ready to use your Smartsheet dashboard for effective project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.